Now to the outbreak of Legionnaire's disease we've been following in the city. It is now being blamed for another death, and cases continue to rise.
So far, 3 people have died and at least 64 others have gotten sick since the outbreak was first reported on July 25th. Now, the mayor is currently visiting Harlem and is expected to speak soon, and that is where we find Doug Williams. Doug?
Christine, Jessica, here's what's going on right now. The mayor is directly across the street from us. He is handing out flyers to folks in Harlem, more information on Legionnaire's disease, pre-existing conditions, things of that nature. And shortly thereafter, we're expecting the mayor to make his way across the street, where we have a press conference set up there behind me in front of the hospital, as you can see. And the mayor really warning folks that as time goes by and even as contaminated cooling towers are cleaned and buildings are deemed safe, the risk to anyone exposed remains. Health officials say cases have appeared in these zip codes in Central Harlem. The city says they've been traced to 11 buildings with contaminated cooling towers that have now been cleaned. But Legionnaire's disease can take time to develop into a serious form of pneumonia, and meaning even as the work's being done to clean any contaminated cooling towers, people may have been exposed previously and not yet know it. So the mayor's urging Harlem residents to pay close attention to their health, get checked out by a doctor at the onset of any symptoms. The mayor says while the city Department of Health is conducting inspections, he's also ordered all building owners in Central Harlem to inspect their own cooling towers if Legionnaire's disease is detected, or if Legionnaire's is detected in the water, I should say, in the water vapors. They have 24 hours to remedy it. So again, we're going to get more specifics from the mayor shortly. We are expecting him to walk across the street, update us on any numbers that he has that we don't yet have. And again, he'll update us on the conditions of the buildings here in Harlem and any building owners that have reported issues here. And Jessica and Christine, I'll send things back to you for now.
All right, thanks, Doug.
More history now on Legionnaires here in the city. The deadliest cluster was back in 2015 that killed 16 people and was linked to a cooling tower atop a Bronx hotel. Also, then in 2012, 5 residents of an Upper Manhattan nursing home died of Legionnaires. And for more on the symptoms of this and what to watch out for, just head over to our website, cbsnewyork.com.